My chain brake is super sticky. I've noticed these new 201s, the chain brakes on them gum up really quickly. But until then, I'm just going to be careful. I went to grab my rope and I pulled my fingernail back. Doesn't feel good. Best part of this job is it is no cleanup. No cleanup. Hooray! Ugh, my chain is loose now. It wasn't when I came up here. So these two I have to limb walk out to avoid damaging these little ones too badly. And I gotta be careful of that birdhouse and those other trees. If it wasn't for that, I'd be able to just notch and drop the bad boy. That's okay, this is one of my favorite kind of climbing jobs. Just walk up, piece it out. Walk up, piece it out. No rigging, minimal limb walking, and a lot of bombing. Hopefully I don't get too stuck. I put my rope over there, hoping I wouldn't drop too much material on it. That didn't work out too well, even early on into the project. Oh well, it's just a little branch. And boy, this ash tree is soft, like super soft. Hollow. Good one to be taken down. I think I'll tie in there. Man, like super soft. I've never spiked an ash tree this soft that wasn't full of white rock, but I don't see any white rock. Kind of wanted a little bit of the tail. That's all right. I'm going to try and keep any more of this material from landing on my rope bag. Wow, these hinges aren't holding. Darn. Come on, Helga, up there. Super, super hollow. Well, I'm hoping there's enough weight going that way. Right on my dang rope. And I should have cut that out further from my rope. So, it's gonna do something else there to fix that. Dang it. I'm just gonna put my rope in the crotch below it. So for the consequences, not having a super awesome high tie-in point because I didn't leave a big enough Y on either side that I was comfortable with, because I'm jumping around, my rope could kind of come loose and somehow work its way off. It might not have, but it's enough to make me not comfortable. Oh, this whole tree is hollow as an effer. Echo, hear that? And another thing that sucks is not having a ground guy or woman. So I'll probably take this one off here, and then I'm gonna go down to the ground and probably manage this a little bit, move it away, get it off my rope bag so I don't get stuck. Right now, I don't want to get stuck trying to limb walk out there. So, hooray! Try and get it to plop right there. Man. I'm also going to tighten up my chain, and I apologize deeply for my sticky chain brake. That doesn't work very well. That will be fixed tonight. I feel like in some areas I could just bury my spur right into the hollow areas of this. And at this one, I'm going to go ahead and take it, because this lower branch will act as a barrier for these smaller ones. Actually, I might just work my way down, and I might be able to go out and get that branch if my rope isn't stuck. If not, I will, and then I'll manage this, tighten my chain, come back up for the wood. We'll see. Thought that might happen. Oh, you want to take me that way? Oh man, I just got ash pee right in the eye. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Where is it stuck at? I'm cleaning some of this up, and then I'll go up and finish. Got my rope clear. I'm gonna clear this out and leave myself an exit route right there for when I'm dropping the spar. It won't be a very big spar. I don't know, I might leave a tall spar just because it would be cool. But with the bow, when it hits the ground, it'll go like ba-doing. So maybe I won't. so sorry about the chain brake. I'll fix it, I promise. Okay, almost there. Probably should have tightened my chain before I started bucking up brush. Nah, not going to. I'll do it when I go back to my truck for gas and oil. Alright, I've got everything cleared out of my work zone. I'm gonna go put gas and oil in this puppy and tighten the chain. It only took about 30 seconds to do that. And I need to go find a hose because I'm retarded and didn't bring any water. Because I'm retarded. Gassed, oiled, tighten the chain. I'm gonna go take care of this last limb in the spar and be done with this tree. There's more. GoPro still alive? Still up there? I could force my chain brake shut or closed. Or brake, I don't know what the right word would be. Anyway, I could force it. But I've done that in the past and broken my chain brake, and I don't want to do that. Bar is outrageously bouncy, and this ash tree is acting like a softwood. Don't see a lot of these in my area like this. Weird. I don't want these to hang up in this tree below me. That would suck. It would suck. That's going the wrong way. Come on. Cool, cool, cool. It's a fun part. My foot ascender is about to break, so I'm trying not to use it with spurs anymore, because the spurs are what's causing it to break. The strap on it, it's only being held together by a thread. And right now, because of COVID, oh, I just hit myself in the face. Everything's taken forever to be ordered. So before my new one gets here, I don't want to break my old one. Anyway, so that's that. Ooh, yeah. I don't even like how this spar is moving. It's just so weird. Oh, not bad for not being able to see. Almost flat. Bypassed my hinge a little bit there. That's why you saw my saw kind of get stuck. I'm digging post holes. Look at that. Perfect post hole. Coming around the backside of an elbow on a spar is can be a little freaky sometimes because you can't see, you know, quite where you're putting your spike, and the angle is out that way, so you got to put your foot out more like that so you don't gaff out. Dang, that's clean. Gotta watch that. I should have known that was probably gonna happen. Bypassed again a little bit. Should have made a relief cut there. Well, good thing this was here to keep it from peeling over my lanyard. Okay, moving on. Need to get on the other side. All right, I'm gonna drop it from here. Saw was just barely big enough to get through this cut. The trunk isn't nearly as hollow as I thought it would be. It was super hollow up top though. Oh, I'm stuck. The tree was pretty hollow at the top, not so hollow in the middle, but at the base there's mushrooms and it's hollow. So I don't know what it looks like on the inside. It's It's got a good lean to it. And even though it's a short spar and there's really no weight at all on the end of it, I still don't want it to barber chair, break prematurely, or do something weird that I'm not aware of. So I'm gonna do a bore cut. And a bore cut is when you cut out the meat of the tree. You preset the hinge while leaving a strap on the backside. So that way you get rid of all the material on the inside of the tree that has the potential to barber chair or do something weird. So I'm gonna put an edge on my saw that I should have done last night, but I didn't. And grab my chaps, drink of water, and take a little break. So I'll come back to you guys in a minute. Ooh, those go way up in there. Yummy. Not as bad, but those mushrooms that we saw down there, that's it. That's crazy. Insane. Curious to see what it's like. Yeah, it's just mushrooms all the way up. That's oh man. Oh man, red ant. Red ant galore. Oh God. Oh my God. Fix it off just to woo, doggy. All right. Oh, that's pretty, actually. Wow, if it wasn't so punky, it'd make a cool table. All right, I want to see how old this thing is. Roughly, it's hard to see the rings. Actually, really, really hard. Never mind. Nope, not even gonna try and count it. It's old. Okay, so I've got 5 small cedars to remove, a double hackberry that's also very small over there to remove. I'm gonna cut this trunk up a little bit for him, get that stump out, but I'm not gonna record any of that. So this is where I leave you. thanks for watching, people. I'll check you later.